Hello everybody, the time has finally come. Got my brand new iPhone SE here, and something I noticed as soon as I got it was this right here on the box is indented for the home button. But I'm excited to get this thing open, so we're just going to start and have the most satisfying noise in the world. It made it really easy to get off. I remember when you used to actually have to use a knife or something, but now you don't. And then we just go whoosh. What's this we got here? Our little packet with all of our information in it, including your little, if you got the product red color, your little thing about what it's for. Now it says for HIV and AIDS, but currently it is to help with the coronavirus relief. And then of course you got your little thing here telling you what to do with it. Got your SIM ejection tool, some more information, and the infamous Apple stickers. Now from there, we get on to the real fun part of the phone itself. Now you get your phone here, and we get to do this. Oh, I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but I can, and it's wonderful. Ooh, satisfying. And there it is, the brand new iPhone SE in product red. And we'll go back a little bit. We got Apple's standard issue 5-watt charger here. This does support fast charging, but you have to buy the adapter for it. This also has its own little peely deal, which is fun. Put that over there, and then we'll get our certified little ear pods here, which everybody knows what these are. Everyone has a pair of them somewhere. And the final thing in the box is the charge and sync cable, which would kind of suck if it came without it. Now, further on this week, I'm going to be doing a full review of this, but for now, this is it. And I'm going to go play with my new phone. But I hope you guys have enjoyed, and have a great day.